Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And last night somebody sent me a email saying that they're trying to cut out a gear that's bigger than their laser bed. And they evidently have a zing, epilogue zing, and it's 24 by 12. And let's say this is the gear they want to cut out, which is huge. It's 20 by 20. So my suggestion, especially in a gear, because this particular gear is not maybe an equal number of teeth, and you'll see in just a second. So take a 2-point line, hold down the control button and make it parallel, and then hit P, put it in the center of the page, and you can kind of see right here that the gears are off. So that doesn't really matter if you do it in, if you're just doing it for a ornamental gear, it doesn't really matter at all. So here's your two pieces. And if you left click, right click, you've got two pieces of gear. And then you could put them in your machine and cut these out and glue them back together. But if it's a working gear that you're going to use, well, one of them, a 20-inch gear, probably wouldn't stand the pressure of being cut in half. But my suggestion would make two copies of it and sandwich them together. So now let's take our 2-point line and make it a 90-degree angle. And you can see that the gear number is off, where this one is on that side and that one's on that side, kind of like what we were before. And that might even just be why the way the gear is rotated. But this time, do it the opposite direction. And we're going to fill these two in. And we're going to left click, but we're going to right click in red this time. So let's, matter of fact, I'm going to make it, well, I ought to be able to get that one back. Let's just move this one out of the way for a second. Take our line and just delete it. I should have moved that gear back before I did this, but it should snap to it right there, and it did. So there's your two pieces, and if we Control G and group them together and press P, Control G and group them together and press P, our gears are going to match up. And then this way you have one brake going one way and one brake going the other way. I would actually maybe put indexing dowel holes. And I've got a couple of videos, and I might put a link in the video how to make indexing dowels. That way it'd be a lot easier when you glue it together to make it stronger and to line it up. But that's how I would do it. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.